guys, it's Terry, and this is the latest episode of Behind the Lockbox, where we give you great ideas and information about the real estate market. Today I want to talk about hiring a contractor or any kind of a repair person who may come to your house. There is a lot of repair people out there and a lot of companies who will claim that they can help you. You want to be diligent when hiring the right person. Please make sure that you ask for references. Talk to other people that they've worked for. How did they do? How was their work? How was their time? How was the cost of it? All of those things that you want from a reference. Make sure that you check to see their availability. Are they going to show up on time? Are they going to get the job done in a timely manner? Market's busy right now. Right now, you need to worry about how you can get the job done when you need it done. If they're not available, move on to the next contractor. Check their pricing. Are they going to charge a flat fee, or are they going to charge you some kind of an hourly rate? If so, what are those rates, and what do they estimate how long it will take them to get the job done? And last but not least, one of the most important things you can ask is to make sure that the company that you hire is insured and bonded and has workman's compensation. If anything happens on your property, you want to make sure that you're covered. There are a lot of wonderful contractors out there who are honest and trustworthy and who show up on time and do great quality work. You just want to make sure that you find those guys. There's a lot of wonderful contractors out there. Just make sure you're hiring the right one.